Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Lawrence, Kansas. We started this project yesterday, and what we have here is this center horizontal beam is basically the low part of the house. So we've come in here and we've saw cut the floors. We do everything engineering 101. Everybody else would just jackhammer the floor, but we don't. But we saw cut the floors in 4 sections, one right there and 2 over here, and another one right here that's got the wood over it. 4 total. We're going to come in here and pour high strength concrete, new footings. That way when we put our vertical support beams up here, they won't sink. Where we raise this, it's going to stay there. So yeah, that's what we got going on the interior. We are just about done, and I'm stepping on the crack repair. We've repaired all the cracks on the floor. We did all that. That's we don't charge for that. That's kind of free, and it's just kind of a gift for our customers, especially if it's not very much. It didn't cost very much to do this. A little bit of time, a couple hours, but we like doing extra things for our customers. These people in Lawrence, Kansas are excellent folks. So let's go outside, follow me outside, and we'll show you the 2 piers, what we got going out here. The back, where we're going, the back corner of this home has kind of sank right here. On the interior, we've got a pier going over there and a pier going about right in the middle of the window. So we'll walk outside here. Notice how we put tarps down, keep everything nice and neat, best we can. And then out here, we've got our King Pier 2 holes. We went 13 inches below the footing, which as we can see right there, we've got our hydraulic jack. We've got a load bearing plate, King Piers hydraulic jacks. We've not raised anything yet. It's just in place, ready to do that. Got one there, and then we've got another. These are perfectly dug holes, and very seldom will we ever use a machine. My amigos would prefer to dig them by hand. We don't disturb any lines. Notice there's a line in the ground right there. We didn't bother it. We got our plate and our pier and our hydraulics all set up, ready to just set up our laser levels and make this corner level. Couldn't get concrete today, so I'm going to shoot for tomorrow, because after we raise this up, the King Pier raises the footing, but what keeps the footing where we raise it, because everything's built to the standard minimum, is the massive amount of high strength concrete that we encase the pier and both sides of the existing footing, kind of creating a keyway lock in there. And with the load bearing plates, everything stays in place except the hydraulics. It's the biggest, strongest pier on the planet. So for all your foundation repair needs, call me. If your house is sinking, we are the best at raising footings back to level. 816-521-8915, or you can always visit our website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.